Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today we are back with this super cute heart style. As the day of the beloved is coming, we wanted to join you with our inspiration for a style with this subject. So part the hair in the middle. I'm always starting with the crown hair, then looking for the middle of the neck and joining these two lines to one straight, more or less straight parting. It just, the hair does not fall naturally, so look where is the middle, put your finger there where you want to go with the comb and then draw the line. The first part of the hair I'm joining now in a low ponytail. I add some oil into my model's hair before to smooth everything out and to give it an extra shine. There are different kinds of hair oils. You can choose whatever you like. I look a lot how they smell. Also always check that they have some kind of argan oil or some coconut. This is what I like to work with. So I'm using thin hair ties and I'm taking 2 of them because I'm always afraid that one could snap. You see, this is nearly at the end, very deep, and we're going to make a bun with it later. Now, from behind the ear, straight to the crown top middle parting, I'm taking more or less, it's a quarter of hair. So you see, there is a 90-degree angle between the middle parting and the side parting, and then I just go straight to the ear. This portion of hair we are going to tie into a little ponytail again. I'm more or less positioning it in the half of the portion, a bit deeper down, but yeah, it's more or less in the middle. Take another clear elastic and tie it into a ponytail. Make sure that everything is always good detangled. And then the rest of the hair we're clipping away right now. I check if the portion of hair is enough so that the 2 buns we are going to do later will more or less be the same. And I check the position of the ponytail, but we will have to open it later. So it's just for the time being that I bring this hair away. Now we're going to flip over this ponytail, so I'm using a topsy tail tool. I bring it or insert it from down under, then I bring the ponytail through and I'm pulling the ponytail through and flip it from down to the top. Pull everything through, tighten it. And now I'm going just to split this ponytail into 2 equal portions. One part I'm just clipping away. And now I'm using the leave-in conditioner that I like to use lately instead of using so much gel. Gives an extra treatment to the hair and makes it easy to braid. 3 equal portions of hair, 3 equal strands. This was not very equal. Try your best. And then start to braid. I'm doing a Dutch braid by bringing the right strand under and then the left strand under the middle strand, and I'm going to braid as much as I need the length for having half of the heart. Take your time to make it neat. If you need to comb through everything to make sure that it looks more even, you do that in between. And actually this style is for shoulder length hair or even very long hair. It does not work that good with short hair if you want to make buns later, but if you just want to make the heart detail, just skip the other steps and you just only do the heart. So now we go to the other side and I do exactly the same 3 strands that were not even. I also used the leave-in conditioner again. And then you braid under the middle strand, left under, right under, left under, and then right under. Make sure that the 2 braids have the same length to assure that you have a symmetrical heart later. Keep on braiding. Check the length and then tie it together with a little elastic. If you're new on our channel, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe and activate the little bell. Like this you will get notified when we have a new video uploaded. Now I'm opening this ponytail to take a little portion of hair, and as I didn't know, because it was the first time that we did this style, how long it would be, I had to do it this way. I'm doing the Hairstyle now using another clear elastic to join the 2 little braids. And now you will see why I opened the deep ponytail, because I need a little strand that I'm going to use to fix the heart and to put it into position, because I did not want to use bobby pins. So take another clear elastic, take a little strand from underneath the hair, and this is used to attach our 2 ponytails. And also with this strand you can later adjust the shape of the heart by pulling it up. You see, I just pulled it a bit up and I have the perfect heart shape. Now you join the rest of the hair that is not braided into the deep ponytail that we do on her right hand side, using again double elastics to make sure that none of all, even if one snaps, we still have the second one. If the little braids are moving too much later, you always have the chance to add in some bobby pins to make sure that they stay in place, but here in this case with my model there was no need. You see, as it's attached to the strand under, you can always adjust a bit. Now I'm doing a rope twist braid, so I twist to the right hand side and bring over to the left side, and we only work with 2 strands. So always opposite side, that is my right side, and then bringing it over the left side. Tie off with a little elastic and then do the same thing on the other side. Turn to the right and bring over to the left. And you see already that of course the left hand side is a bit thicker because we did not take away hair for making a braid, and this is why I'm turning this bun quite tight, and this is why I do this first, and then later I adjust the bun on the other side. And if it looks smaller, you just pull the outer edges and you make it the same size. So here you see I don't pull out anything, there's no pancaking, just a very tight rope twist braid to bring it into a bun. And here I'm doing the same thing, but I'm losing up the thing a bit and creating the same bun size like on the left hand side, even I have less hair. So this is a little trick, and you don't have to worry if you have less hair, because one can always make look it the same size. Take enough bobby pins to put everything into its place, and this is our final design. I think it looks very cute. There's the heart on one side into two little buttons, and of course instead of buns you can make some ponytails or add some curls. You can do whatever you wish. Bye bye, see you back soon.